Welcome to Wise Guys Butcher's Corner. I'm Tommy, and today, spatchcock turkey. Where did spatchcock come from? The term actually comes from 18th century, is derived from the words dispatch and cock. Dispatch meaning deliver fast, and cock refers to the chicken. And what this is gonna do, we're basically gonna butterfly the chicken. It's gonna allow more surface area to cook better, whether you're roasting, smoking, baking, whatever your intent is. This is going to up your game as far as how your turkey is going to come out. Now, what we are about to do with the spatchcock, we're going to butterfly this. Now, in doing so, we need to remove the entire backbone. We're not just going to cut through and just open it up. We need to remove that backbone. Unlike a chicken, which can be easily cut with shears, turkey's bone structure is very rigid, so you need a heavier knife. So if this is something you're looking to do, please ask your butcher. They'll be happy to do it for you. So we're gonna put the turkey up on basically in an inverted position. We're gonna take our heavy knife, and on either side, here's your tail, on either side of the backbone, we're gonna go in, make a little incision first. You don't wanna go all the way down. Once that incision is made, it'll act as a guide for your knife, so it won't slide. And just basically cut down. That's one side. Now we wanna go back and do the other side. Start the cut. And once we get down to the end, we can basically just pull it out. Here's our backbone. Make a little incision first. You don't want to go all the way down. Once that incision is made, it'll act as a guide for your knife, so it won't slide. And just basically cut down. That's one side. Now we want to go back and do the other side. Start the cut. And once we get down to the end, we can basically just pull it out. Here's our backbone. Now what we'll be able to do, open this up. And press down on it, and then we have our spatchcock turkey, all butterflied, ready for the smoker, ready for the roasting pan to put in the oven. But this is going to cut down on your cook time tremendously because you don't have all that surface area that's hidden inside that's going to be required to get to your final temperature. This will make the whole process much easier, much faster. You give you better browning throughout. So there you have it, folks. Spatchcock turkey, right in time for Thanksgiving. I hope you're going to enjoy it. See you next time. I'm Tommy the Butcher. Keep smoking. Like and subscribe for more tips.